Here is P-Shop Free. What exactly is P-Shop Free? Well, it is an e-commerce platform which aims to help people save money on purchasing high-value and quality product. P-Shop Free introduced a new shopping mode called rushing. Rushing is pretty simple. If you want to buy a product in pshopfree.com, you can get a 12% off discount by clicking the rushing button on the checkout page. Doing so, you can either receive the product you purchased or receive a cash reward instead, which is equivalent to the amount you paid plus a bonus given by P-Shop Free. As you can see here, when you don't get this product, you'll earn $156.74 as a cash reward, which is equivalent to the amount you paid of $130.62 plus a bonus of $26.12. After this, you can choose to rush again as many times as you want. The best part is you can buy this product for absolutely free by just using your cash bonuses. The cash reward will be credited directly to your P-Shop Free wallet. Each result has a 50-50 chance, but one thing's for sure. Either way, it's a win-win situation. If you got the result with the product, P-Shop Free will ship the product as soon as possible. On the other hand, if you got the result with the cash reward, you can use the cash reward instead to purchase any products on pshopfree.com. Or, you can withdraw it from your P-Shop Free wallet without any additional fees. To do so, click on My Account right up here, and then click on Wallet. After that, click on Wallet Withdrawal Request, then just enter the amount you want to withdraw, and more importantly, enter your PayPal account, then just click on Request Withdrawal. Now,
if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, you might ask, how come P-Shop Free can give big discounts and bonuses to their customers? Well, P-Shop Free transacts with the product manufacturers directly, meaning no middleman was involved. Moreover, P-Shop Free is different from other traditional e-commerce platforms in the sense that traditional e-commerce platforms spend huge budget with their advertisements. However, P-Shop Free utilizes the budget to benefit their customers, that's why they don't have enough exposure.
And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.